प्रधानमंत्री मोदीन जाहीर केल्ले कॅशलेस इंडिया टार्गेट गाडपाक गोंय नेटान कामाक लागला. सोमारा बँकाच्या आदारान PWD आनी GSIDCचो कॅशलेस वेव्हाराक तांचो स्टाफ, कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आनी बाकीचे जाळवणदारांकडे मोहिमेचो पयलो रावंड जालो.
For the first 3 letters of your bank, or it will ask you for the first 4 letters of the IFSC code of your bank. In your case, in our case, all of us, we all bank with HDFC Bank, so it will be HDFC. And it gives you options. Option number 3 is send money using MMID. Okay. Now in this case, you should the person to whom you are going to give the money should know his MMID. Okay. Now it's a fixed number. It's not going to change for the account, so you should know it. Okay, and even we should know it when we are doing it.
We just had a meeting with the PWD, and similar meeting we are going to address here. Now each one has their own requirements. Contractors have their own requirement in terms of making payment to their laborers. Okay, then they have issues of making to subcontractors. Now subcontractors, it is easier for us to offer different kind of products because we have different kind of products to be offered to them in terms of making payment. If the government wants to receive a payment, we can offer payment gateway solutions like we already offer to tourism department. Anybody wants to do something on tourism department, we'll go to the payment gateway and make the payment advance. Okay. As far as laborers are concerned, I am told there are many laborers in Goa who do not have an identification. We are working out a scheme, okay, under BSBDA kind of accounts to accommodate them, and we are working on that. We have not come out with the product as such, but maybe in a couple of days we'll be able to come out with the product to them as well.
मंगळारच्यान मार्केटांनी बँकांचो स्टाफ जागृतायेक भोंवपाचो आसा. HDFC बँकेन कॅशलेस गोवाची तयारी केल्या.
We at HDFC Bank would want to go to these traders or fish market vendors, to actually educate them on digitalization, because the problems as of now that nobody has got a cash to buy or to make a payment. So unless we go and educate them, it is not easy for them to migrate it to digitalization. Okay, so we have products which can be offered to every customer. Okay, maybe we have debit cards, we have credit cards, we'll have something called MPOS machines, which is like a POS machine, but it comes with a very reasonable rates to the customer. So we will try to show them live demonstrations how this can be used. Okay, what are the benefits they will get, and how easy it is actually. So our job is actually to educate them, because every time when you talk about digitalization, probably feel that it's tough job, they do not understand what is this terminology. We'll make them understand probably in a local language for them to make understand. It appears, according to us, the drive would continue till at least 31st of December.
सरकाराचे UPI ॲपाक सध्या खंय काय मर्यादा आसात. गॅजेट सेवी नाशिल्लो सामान्य मनीस UPI ॲप वापरतलो जाल्यार काय अडचणी दिसतात.
More than anything else, the government is looking at only the UPI. So how do you all look at
See, UPI as of now, if you see, it's live with around 30 banks. Okay, but mostly it is for peer-to-peer payments, so individual payments. Okay, UPI has a restriction in terms of limit, in terms of amount. So you can have only 20 transactions, and cumulative limit is 1 lakh per day. Okay, merchant payment through UPI has not started in a very big way. So if you see, even the daily transactions which are happening in UPI is close to around 10 to 11,000 only as of now. So this ecosystem has to grow to UPI to pick it up. What we are saying is, see, a cashless society or cashless environment is a total mind change. If you want to have a cashless society, you need to have larger amount of acquiring, that is either through a payment gateway, MPOS machine, or a QR code. You should have a larger amount of issuance also. So your issuance will happen through either wallets or it will happen through cards. Either mismatch of them, cardless society will not work. This side, of course, they know that everything cannot be, as you rightly said, everything cannot be cashless. So you may still have that 5%, 10%, but the point is that at every step, when you know that yes, cash has to be accepted, find out the problem, find out the solution, and that's what we move forward. So if you ask banks also today, for us also it's a new learning, unwinding, unlearning whatever business propositions we had.
एक्सायज खाते कॅशलेस वेव्हाराचेर काम करता. मंगळारा तांणी मॅन्युफॅक्चर आनी डिस्ट्रिब्युटरांक कार्यशाळा दवरल्या. ते उपरांत एक्सायज रिटेलरांक कडेन वतले. चर्चिल आनी मिकी डिमॉनिटायझेशनाच्या नांवान बोवाळ मारतात.
पण सगळ्यांनी आमचे गोंयचे परिस्थिती आयज एका जाग दाखोवपाक जाय ह्या सरकारान बारीक समाजा लोकांक त्रास केल्या. व्हडल्या पयशे आसलो म्हणजे त्रास जालो ना, पूण बारीक जे पयशाक थोडे पयशे आपण सिगोर करता बँकान त्या लोकांक त्रास जालो.
एक दिसाक तरी आख्ख्या इंडियेचे एक दिसाक तरी बिझनेस चलना जाल्यार कितलें लॉस जातलें तें ताणें दाखयलां. आनी त्या पासत हांव नको फ्युचर इंडियेचो कितें जातलो तो देखून हांव मागतां पब्लिका कडेन न्हय गोंयच्या पब्लीक आख्या इंडिये पब्लिका कडेन तेमी हेजेर नदर मारपा जाय. इलेक्शन बेगीन बोगली आहा, इलेक्शनाचेर हो आन्सर दिवपा जाय.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकीक शिलकर, चेतन गवस आनी साव्यो डायस.